Ooh, it's getting dark outside. And on this rainy day, we are doing something new. Have you ever seen this? Well, it's from Arizona, that's for sure. And yo, we are about to chug it on this Friday night. Let's do Arizona red tea, straight from Africa.
Don't touch that mouse. You're watching Badlands Chugs.
Don't you dare touch that dial, folks, because Badlands Chugs is on. And yes, we are doing an Arizona. I don't think this is new, but it's new to me. This right here is Arizona red tea. Oh man, it has African rubios or rubios or rubio. I don't know how to say it. Rooibos. It might be rooibos, okay? I don't know. But it's African and it's a tea. It's supposed to be red. I never had red tea. I mean, living in America, all we drink is like black tea and green tea, all right? So let's see what this is. I mean, I tried this before because it was in the Sunday poll. It did win on the YouTube side. So y'all are getting a full chug, all right? So let's just see what it tastes like. Oh man, it's delicious. It tastes like a really crisp, light tea. I mean, a little fancy with the pinky up type of tea. It is really good. It's light, it's crisp, you know, and I hear it's really good. This African rubios. I'm gonna learn how to say that, folks, okay? I'm gonna learn how to say that. I hear it has some good properties. I also hear that it's naturally caffeine free, which is great, okay? Because we don't need all that caffeine. But it also has the great Nelson Mandela right here. Oh man, let's just get to pouring. Ah, nice. Yes, that's one. Let's continue to pour. I know I said I was gonna let the Kaiser not das boot rest a bit, but come on now, something as iconic as this boot and the man signed it. Oh man, I can't put it down, you know what I'm saying? I cannot put the boot down. We're in preparation of drinking every Sprite that's out, okay? We just waiting for the Sprite with tea in it to come out. I think it's out already. Yes, let's get this all the way to the top. This is what we're doing today. Oh man, Arizona red tea. Oh man, this thing, it tastes so good, nice and light and elegant. Oh man, this is gonna be good. And oh, I almost forgot. We can't forget the ice. Oh man, this is 80 ounces of goodness. Well, 75 because I know I sipped at least 5 or 6 ounces. But yo, we're about to do this and we're dedicating this to the legacy of Nelson Mandela. 3, 2, 1, enough talk. Oh, taking my time, folks. Delicious. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yes.
Chugging the world. One bottle at a time. Badlands Chugs is back.
Don't touch that house, folks. It's your boy, BadlandsChugs, and I am on Cameo, okay? You need a personalized shout out, maybe a happy birthday, maybe a happy anniversary, congratulations on the new job, the wedding, anything at all. And do you need it with a chug of your choice? You let me know what you want me to do, and I'll do it for you. 24-hour delivery is available, and if you want me to promote your business, book your boy. Cheers.